I'm going to show you this really awesome text trick that I've come across and been using for a while, and it's allowing you to see an underlying image behind your text through the actual words. It's called overlaying transparent text. So let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and begin by adding some video footage to our timeline, and we're going to go over to the left hand side and we're going to use some of CapCut's stock footage. Now they've got tons of stock footage, everything from backgrounds, intros and outros, transitions, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select this black screen over here, and to the left we're going to go up to the top and tap on text. On text, we can go ahead and use any one of these text styles. I'm going to go ahead and just add a default text, and here we can just increase the duration of the text to match the black screen behind it. On the right hand side now we can go up while our text is selected and make sure that we are typing in whatever we would like to have on our video. We can now also adjust the font size. We can also adjust the style of the font. We can make it bold, and we can do pretty much everything else that you would like to do with your text. Once you're done, you're going to go over back down to your timeline and you're going to click on your text, and you're going to hold in control and click on the black screen. From here, you're going to right click on this and you'll find the create compound option. You're going to create a compound clip here, and once you've done this, we're going to go ahead and add a video that we would like to make this text transparent over. So as you can see, I've got my video and I want to make sure that my text is overlaying my video. Now up on the right hand side, while my text is selected, we're going to go ahead and make sure it says video at the top next to text, and we are going to scroll down and look for blend. Now let's make sure that the blend option is actually turned on. So that means there's a blue tick next to it, and we're going to go and click on the default drop down menu, and here we're going to have a look for some presets. We're going to go ahead and we're going to select darken. Now once you've selected darken, you can see now that the video on the main track is actually coming through the text, which is just above that main track. You can now go ahead and you can edit the text additionally. If you would like to change anything about it, you can just go ahead, right click on that compound clip that we created and click on undo compound clip, and you'll have all of the editing tools again that you would like for your text. If this was a helpful guide, please do go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and go on and create. We'll see you next time. Peace out.